TransGenX Tape is made for non-binary individuals looking for a quality and reliable way for breast binding, a much more effective alternative way for FTM chest binding. We believe that every non-binary person should be comfortable in their own skin and confident enough to express who they are. After extensive research and testing, TransGenX Tape was developed, an affordable, high-quality alternative that provides better results for FTM chest binding as chest binders at a fraction of the cost. There is a lot of research and debate surrounding gender dysphoria, which is the medical term for feeling that your gender does not match the one you were assigned at birth. For some people, transitioning, or going through the process of changing their physical appearance to match their true gender identity, is the best way to feel comfortable in their own skin. However, not everyone feels this way. In fact, many people who suffer from gender dysphoria find that wearing trans chest binding tape can be helpful in reducing symptoms of dysphoria. We offer several sizes and types of tape for the FTM trans community. To learn more, go to transgenx.org.